Charles, we've been asked to come and see you, so here we are.
Okay.
Tell us a bit about Cambo.
Cambo are a company in the Netherlands, established in 1946 from the photographic marketplace. So we specialise in photographic 10x8 film products, but our other market is a big growing industry, which is the video marketplace.
Right, so well, I can see what you're showing here. There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, there's a few rigs on display, and what we decided to do is, Holden's perspective is to actually build rigs designed for cameras.
Yeah.
So the most obvious thing is if you've got a Panasonic camera, you want a rig for a Panasonic, same for a Sony, same for Canon, and of course there's the world-famous Blackmagic cameras. Yes. So we've got some rigs set up for those as well. So what we've done is rig everything up and put the accessories on. We've got some new accessories. We've got a new follow focus unit. Yeah. I've just dug out a rig here, which is on the Blackmagic. So we've got a kit which the rails are profiled. Yes. So every rail that we have, whatever you clamp on there, it's going to actually stay. Oh yes. So it's a really neat system. You don't really see it. If you look at this on the internet, it's not something you can actually see until you actually touch and feel the kit. We've also got a follow focus unit, which has got focus points. So ideal for
2 hard stops by the looks of it.
2 hard stops. You can also go past the stop. That's a really neat design.
Very nice.
Price point $685 for follow focus unit. The grips are extendable. Yeah. And we've also got a ball and socket grip on there as well, which can also double up as a monitor mount. So it's a pretty
very nice
system. But it's all modular. Everything is interchangeable. So if you want to put a Canon DSLR on there, you can do. Yeah. Put a Nikon, anything really.
So you can literally buy the parts you want for your camera, rig it how you want, and then if you just change camera or you're changing format or how you want to use it, you can just rejig it to how you want it.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, if you change, for example, if you're using a Canon camera, lenses focus one way, Nikon focuses the other. Yes. The really superb feature of this follow focus, underneath there's a release locking nut. Yep. If you release that, you can turn the focus the other way around. Very nice.
Excellent. I mean, for me, who uses things like an AF101 and 7Ds and things, I'm just looking at the fact that these rods here, because you say they're not smooth. They're not smooth. So a lot of the time you think you clamp something up and you're holding a rig, and then suddenly it all starts to turn and the handles start twisting. So that doesn't happen on these.
No, not at all. We had a guy who shoots at the boat show, and as he's panning around with a tripod, he's going east, his monitor's going west. Yeah. It's not an ideal situation to be in. So he changed over to a Cambo rig, and of course they're designed to last. The products that we make, for example, we've got studio stands in the market now that are, last week I dealt with a customer from the 1950s. Right. So we've got product that's out there that's being used all the time, and it's just made to last. It's good quality product.
Charles, now I think you're coming on the show later on today.
2:20 today. Bit of entertainment.
Absolutely. So we can look in some of this in even more detail. So that'd be great.
Detail. We've brought a new camera system here, which is a tilt and shift lens system. Nice. So that's nice to talk about that a little bit later today, about what it can do. We've also got a new pan and tilt head over there. Right. Do you want to have a look at that?
Let's have a quick look at that one. Yeah.
So here we've got the RTS boom, which is a compact boom. Yep. Now Cambo make booms up to 30 foot in length, and to put a camera on there you need a really durable, heavy-duty head. To put the same head on this boom, it's impossible, it's too heavy. So we designed a new motorized head, and the controller here, very, very simple, on-off switch, mains powered or run by battery, IDX, Bauer batteries, etc. You've got a pan and tilt control here, so it's very, very simple. Very, very smooth, easy to use. One cable, which is an Ethernet cable. So if you're out on a job, you run over the cable, jam the cable, snap the cable. You can buy one locally from a computer store. So it's a very, very well thought out system. Price-wise, $18.95 for a motorized head. We say a load of about 5K. We've got some customers that have actually balanced it. There's a balancing system on the head. They've gone up to 9K currently. So it's a tried and tested product. It's available now, so it's new for the show, and it's a great product.
Excellent, Charles. Thank you. Well, I'm going to look forward to speaking to you on the show. If people aren't going to see the show, obviously it will be uploaded afterwards as well. But if they want to find out some more information about Cambo products, is there a website they can go to? Yeah,
cambo.com. There's also a WordPress site, which is cambouk.wordpress.com.
Charles, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you on the show.
Cheers.
Take care.
Catch you later.
Yeah, take care. See you.